The remarkable intelligence of corvids, nature's feathered geniuses. In the realm of animal intelligence, there's a family of birds that rivals primates and dolphins. They solve complex puzzles, use tools, recognize human faces, and even hold funerals. Meet the corvids, ravens, crows, jays, and magpies. Often dismissed as pests, yet science reveals them to be among the most intelligent creatures on Earth. Welcome to this world of ours. The corvid family includes over 120 species across every continent except Antarctica. These birds are highly social, forming complex communities with long-term bonds. Many corvids live remarkably long lives, up to 20 years in the wild. What truly sets corvids apart is their brain. Their brain-to-body ratio rivals that of chimpanzees and dolphins. Their neural architecture, though different from mammals, supports comparable cognitive abilities. New Caledonian crows craft hooks from twigs to extract grubs from logs. They can solve multi-step problems requiring sequential tool use. Japanese crows drop nuts on pedestrian crossings for cars to crack open. Then wait for traffic lights to change before safely retrieving their meal. This shows not just tool use, but understanding of human infrastructure. The Clark's nutcracker can hide up to 30,000 seeds across dozens of square miles. Months later, it remembers the locations with astounding accuracy. Scrub jays remember not just where they hid food, but what type of food and when they hid it. This demonstrates episodic memory, once thought unique to humans. Crows remember human faces for years. A University of Washington study had researchers wear masks while trapping crows. Years later, crows would mob anyone wearing those masks, even in different locations. Magpies are the only birds known to recognize themselves in mirrors. Ravens engage in tactical deception, pretending to cache food in one location while hiding it elsewhere. This requires understanding that other ravens have minds with different knowledge. Scrub jays move their food caches when watched by other jays, but only if they themselves have previously stolen food from others. This suggests they project their own experience onto potential thieves. Ravens have been observed making toys and playing games with other ravens. Some corvids even snowboard, sliding down snowy slopes or roofs on their backs. Corvids show clear evidence of cultural transmission and regional dialects of behavior. Crows in different regions have distinct calls that young birds learn from adults. These behaviors aren't hardwired but learned through observation and practice. Researchers have observed what appear to be funerals among crows. When a crow finds a dead crow, it calls loudly, attracting others who gather around the deceased. This behavior has no clear survival benefit, suggesting emotional responses to death. Corvids form strong pair bonds and family connections. Adult crows have been observed caring for injured family members. Throughout human history, corvids have featured prominently in our myths. In Norse mythology, Odin had two ravens who brought him information. Native American traditions often cast raven as a creator or trickster figure. Corvids have adapted remarkably well to human environments. People who feed local crows often report receiving small gifts in return. Shiny objects or trinkets left where food was provided. Corvids challenge our understanding of intelligence. They show us that brilliant minds can evolve in bodies very different from our own. The next time you see a crow perched on a wire or a raven soaring overhead, remember you're not just looking at a bird. You're witnessing one of nature's great intellectual achievements. Remember you're not just looking at a bird. You're witnessing one of nature's great intellectual achievements. For this world of ours, I'm E.Bestman, encouraging you to look with new appreciation at the feathered geniuses living in our midst.